Welcome to TechnoGo. Everything is going electric nowadays, so I decided to show you a top of 10 electric motorcycles. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. LiveWire offers 7 selectable ride modes that electronically control the performance characteristics of the motorcycle and the level of reflex defensive rider systems intervention. Each ride mode consists of a specific combination of power, regeneration, throttle response, and traction control settings. LiveWire comes with 4 pre-programmed modes: Sport, Road, Range, and Rain, along with 3 ride modes the rider can customize. There are 2 ways of charging the LiveWire. Use the onboard level 1 charger and power cord to connect to any standard household outlet and get a full charge overnight. For a faster charge, visit any public level 3 DC fast charge station for 80% charge in 40 minutes or 100% charge in an hour. Evoque Urban Classic can be charged for less than $1 and ride up to 200 kilometers per charge. Charging at a public charging station will refill you in as little as 90 minutes with an optional dual charger on board. And if your travels takes you out of the city, your Urban Series bikes will flow with traffic at a 130 kilometers per hour top speed. Evoque's electric motorcycles strive to maximize power efficiency. With the dual compound tires for MK20 models, they provide a dense rubber compound in the center of the tire to maximize rolling efficiency and a softer rubber compound on the sides to maximize grip. Evoque's self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology transfers battery management data at 250 kilobytes per second to a central onboard processing unit that allows seamless integration of information and safety in a battery pack. The Energica Ego is an electric sport motorcycle designed and marketed by Energica Motor Company. It is claimed by Energica to be the world's first street-legal electric Italian sport motorcycle. The prototype was finished in 2013 and the vehicle came into market in 2015. The prototype was made with use of new technologies such as CNC and 3D printing, including the dashboard and headlights, which were 3D printed. The Ego reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds, which is to be expected because of its electric motor. It has 43mm Marzocchi suspension in front along with parking assist and Brembo brakes with features such as ABS and anti-rollover systems. Due to the heavy weight of the bike, it's difficult to do wheelie or shimmy on it. Also, according to some reviewers, the suspension is relatively softly calibrated. With a mission statement of tackling your daily commute, trails and everything in between, the 2019 Zero DSR is the most powerful model in its lineup, as well as boasting the farthest effective range. When climbing hills or in different terrain, the rider can focus on throttle and brake control exclusively, without the added stress of modulating the clutch to prevent stalling out. For hardcore dual sporting, a clutch system would be handy to pop the front over obstacles, but for average trails the ease of use outweighs the downsides. The average American's commute is 37 miles, so the 2019 Zero DSR is capable of that, especially if you can charge at your destination. The Cocker runs on a 51.8 volt, 50 ampere hour, 2.6 kilowatt hour battery that powers its 11 kilowatts motor. 206 pounds-feet of torque is the claim. Mathematically, that's what you get with 42 Newton-meters at the output shaft when combined with the 12-tooth front and 80-tooth rear sprocket. As is typically the case, the throttle has been tuned carefully to allow riders to enjoy the benefits of the electric drivetrain, while not immediately sending ham-fisted riders on their backsides. Top speed is somewhere around 55 miles per hour. The throttle action is smooth and precise, allowing the rider to dial in the power they're looking for easily. The Smart Old is powered by either 1 or 2 LG batteries mounted beneath the faux gas tank. Each battery is rated for 50 miles of range in eco mode, meaning 2 packs should be sufficient for 100 miles of riding. The batteries are also rated for 700 charge cycles before reaching 70% of their original capacity. The heart of the Smart Old is its mid-drive brushless motor. Just like the batteries, all 3 of Fly-Free's electric motorcycles share the same motor. It is rated for 3 kilowatts of continuous power, though its peak power is likely higher for acceleration bursts and hill climbing. Volta introduced its first electric motorcycle in 2012 on the most important motor show in Europe, the EICMA in Milan. This modern, technologically advanced electric motorcycle is designed in Barcelona and also carries the name of the city. The Volta BCN comes in 2 versions, the City and the Sport. Both engine variants have a top speed of 120 km per hour and a range varying from 70 to 100 kilometers. The Volta BCN has a 34 horsepower electric motor, similar in power with a 400cc classic engine. The transmission is via a maintenance-free transmission with belt drive. Gogoro Energy Network provides instant energy with battery swapping speed that's unbeatable by today's standards of charging or refueling, saving precious time to help generate higher revenue. Gogoro's smart battery automatically syncs with every smart scooter. The system is cashless and auto-authenticated with every swap, from in to out. You'll be back on the road in 6 seconds. It operates over 637 GO stations across Taiwan, and its network expansion targets to reach 1,000 stations by the end of the year. With this dense and robust network up and running, corporations could easily save cost on charge point installation, operations and maintenance. Your monthly battery subscription is fixed and automatically calculated to help make financial management easier. The Vespa Electrica is positioned, and has been developed, to be the electric equivalent to a 50 cubic centimeters scooter. Vespa believes this entry-level arena makes sense for the company to focus its efforts of building a new platform with hopes of ushering in a new generation of riders who are interested in emerging technologies and connectivity. This was, as Vespa cites, how the company came about in the first place, as a low-cost, approachable, small-frame solution to mobility. There are two power modes, Eco and Power, which have top speeds of 18.6 miles per hour and 30 miles per hour respectively. This means the Electrica won't be able to meet the 35 miles per hour speed limits common around big and small American towns. The Redshift SM is one of the company's first products, and it makes a bold statement. It cuts a striking profile, but form follows function. The SM, short for Supermoto, is lightweight and narrow, making it easy to ride. Low-speed maneuvering is key for these types of bikes, and according to Finigstein, you can keep both feet on the pegs at a pace lower than walking speed. You can generally expect to get 50 miles of range, though it really depends on how you ride. With its Brembo brakes and adjustable WP suspension, this bike was built for racing, and it has plenty of range for that purpose. The 5.8 kilowatt-hours battery was developed in-house, and it takes 3 to 4 hours to reach a full charge. Battery packs, however, can be swapped out in as little as 10 minutes.